Hey there, little friends. Today, we're going to learn about 10 good habits that will help you grow up happy and healthy. Let's get started. Habit number 1, always wash your hands with soap and water before meals and after playing outside. Habit number 2, brush your teeth in the morning and before bed to keep your smile bright. Habit number 3, eat lots of fruits and vegetables to grow strong and healthy. Habit number 4, get moving. Play outside and stay active every day. Habit number 5, read books every day. Adventures await on every page. Habit number 6, after playing, tidy up your toys. It's fun to keep things neat. Habit number 7, use polite words like please and thank you. Good manners are cool. Habit number 8, get plenty of sleep. A good night's rest helps you grow and play. Habit number 9, share with friends and take turns. Sharing is caring. Habit number 10, listen and follow rules. It helps everyone get along. There you go. 10 good habits to make every day amazing. Keep practicing, and you'll be a superstar in no time. Bye-bye for now. Remember to practice these good habits every day. Like and subscribe for more fun tips.